but...
Okay. Alright, here we go. Now, I haven't driven one of these karts in quite a while, and so we're just going on a nice warm-up lap. But the thing I don't remember is how damn fast these are. Now, I'm not pushing it all, because I still need to have the tires nice and warm. Alright, so we're now on our warm-up lap for our final hot lap. And so we're going to make sure we get the tires nice and warm. And I really want to push hard. And my goal is to beat that 37 seconds or 38, I'm not sure. We'll see. So there's the time there. Hard to see on the camera, but did a 37, which I believe is the fastest I've ever done, but that felt good. Oh, man. Love this track so much and these karts. So fast. That was a blast. Can't wait to come back for racing now. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel. I'm Joey, and I'll see you next time.